Hi, my name is Laura Askell. I'm the Ag Ed Farm Manager with Metro Parks of Butler County. And today we're going to explore a little bit here at Chrysler Metro Park Woodsdale Regional Area, which is located at 1917 Woodsdale Road, Trenton, Ohio 45067. This is a special park because it has lots of different habitats, ranging from open fields to woodlands, even to wetlands and property all along the Great Miami River. So we have a great opportunity to get to see maybe some amphibians, some reptiles, birds of course. So let's go see what we can find out. Now you'll notice I have a mask, and I'm not wearing it right now because I'm filming by myself. But if I see someone on the trail, I'll make sure I put my mask on, and of course keep the 6-foot social distancing apart. Let's go see what we can go find out today. Now when you pass this sign, keep an eye out for maybe turtles that might be crossing the entrance road, moving from one habitat to another. Now we're going to go to the right of the trail because there's water close by, which will increase our chances of seeing some turtles today. Now we have aquatic, which means water, and terrestrial, which means land turtles here at Woodsdale. The big difference between the two is aquatic have webbing between the toes, and they tend to have a streamlined shell, which makes swimming easier. The terrestrial turtles are more dome-shaped. I don't see any aquatic turtles in the water close by today, so maybe we'll have a better chance if we go look on some land. If you look closely over here, there is an example of an eastern box turtle, Terrapin carolina. Now Woodsdale is a perfect habitat for this turtle because they prefer deciduous woods or mixed forested areas with a moist floor, but not too soaking wet. And you can tell that this is a land reptile because of its body shape. You see how the top shell is dome-like? That's called a carapace. It's usually brown and black with a little bit of yellow to orange patterns or lines and splotches too. The skin is similar in color also. Now without picking him up and disturbing him, we know that the bottom shell is hinged because he's a box turtle. If this turtle happened to feel threatened, he's going to pull in his head, arms, legs, and its tail, completely hide from predators. Obviously, this box turtle isn't intimidated by us and is moving along quite quickly for a turtle. The bottom part of his shell is called the plastron, where his tummy is. Now, the shell on a turtle is made from bone, which is covered by living vascularized tissue and covered with a layer of keratin. It is connected to the body through its fused rib cage, so the shell is always permanently attached. The shell has things called scutes, which are continue to grow throughout its life, and they do develop growth rings, but you can't rely on them from aging like you can on a tree ring. Eastern box turtles are omnivores, and omni means all, so they eat plants and animals. The juvenile turtles tend to be a little bit more carnivorous, which means they'll eat more insects and slugs and worms. And adults will like to eat plant materials and seeds, sometimes eggs and amphibians also. But even adults won't pass up on a delicious earthworm like this turtle is here. Now we can see whether it's a boy or a girl. Boy turtles have red eyes, girl turtles have yellow eyes. So which one is this? This is a male. Another way of telling is by their, remember we mentioned the tummy part, the plastron? Males' plastrons are concave in shape for breeding purposes, and the females, they have a flatter plastron. Many of our box turtles can live 25 to even up to 75 years in best conditions, but unfortunately many of them don't have that opportunity to live that long anymore because their habitat is being destroyed in many areas. So that's why it's against the law to have a box turtle as a pet unless you have a permit from the federal government. Let's listen to see how this turtle sounds while he's eating. Well, we thank you very much for visiting us on our little hike here, looking at the eastern box turtle at Chrysler Metro Park Woodsdale Regional Area. We hope that you log off, shut down, and get outside and come visit us at Metro Parks of Butler County. Take care. Thank you.